All right, guys.
That says a horse is a horse, of course, of course. Lot 777 says unless that horse is Ed.
That's our famous white horse. Can't pass the famous white horse without taking a look.
Dangerous says that was Sue Cool Craig. Thanks.
It's become a legend now. He's our little.
That says I bet his name is Rudy.
Rudy? Could be.
Princess says his.
Rudy. That's what we'll call him. Rudy.
Dangerous says Rudy fits.
I like it. So we're going to pass, in just a moment, we're going to pass the home of Rudy, the big white horse. We've named it Rudy. We've named him Rudy. Yeah, this is East Berlin. It's the name of that town.
All it says is Rudy the only horse. Like, is it a one-horse town?
No, Rudy actually has some friends. We went back off of the road so that we could see. Like, if Rudy isn't in that there's a little pasture area that is by the road, which is where he was the one time when we went by. But if they aren't in that little area, you'd never see them. I mean, they're not that far off the road, but it's not close enough that it would stick out as something to look at. But I think we saw there were 3 or 4 other horses back there with Rudy. Here he goes. I see us. There's the Rudy's. That's the barn right there on the left with that silo. That's Rudy's house. Or Rudy's barn. A bunch of traffic behind me. Maybe I should. Well, yeah, I'm not going to turn back there. But he would be to the left right here, and he's not there because they're back further. But we went back there on the way up. And he's got a couple friends back there. We saw one pooped in front of us. He's just showing off. He was kind enough to do that before I zoomed in on them.